What is up YouTube, and welcome back to the channel of Absolute Rebuild. Today we got our Jaguar back on the lift again, because tomorrow is Judgment Day. We need to go to RDW for the first inspection, if she's road legal and if she's allowed to get on the roads in Holland. But before we can go to RDW, we got the final goodies for the Jaguar, and we got one giant goodie which will be love to our ears. But first we will unpack the necessary goodies to get this Jag through inspection. We got a license plate lamp that we still need to fit. And we got our height sensor that we need to fit. And now it's time for the final, but the best goodie as music to our ears. Guys, we got a stainless steel INOX Supersport exhaust for our Jaguar. That's gotta be music to our ears. So what we're going to do now is remove the old exhaust. First let you guys see a clip what the old exhaust sounds like. Then we will remove the old exhaust, let you guys hear the sound of no exhaust at all, and then finally the sound of our INOX exhaust. Okay guys, so it's not that really easy. There are two welds right here. So you first need to drill out the weld and then yank it out so you can remove the clamp. Okay guys, so we got the complete stock rear exhaust deleted. It's time to fire her up and check what she sounds like. Okay guys, so this is probably my favorite, but you still need to daily drive the car and not get insane. So let's install the new exhaust. So now it's time to install the license plate lamp. Okay guys, so it's the next day. It's time to go to RDW, but first we're going to let you guys hear a cold start with our brand new exhaust. Okay, so we're already on the road for 10-15 minutes and she drives awesome. We noticed some fault codes popping up on the dash, so that's something that we have to investigate when we get home. But first go to RDW and get that inspection done. Okay guys, so we're at RDW. Fingers crossed that she's going through inspection. Okay guys, we're back at home. Unfortunately, we have some sad news. We have major discussions with RDW, our DMV, about the homologation of this vehicle. According to RDW, every car that comes from the US needs a special inspection. According to some laws here in Europe, that's not the case. If your car has homologation, it's okay to be on the road here in Holland. So we need to do some legal paper fighting by email with RDW, and hopefully we can get her through inspection as soon as possible. With that being said guys, this is the end of this video. It's a sad ending, but if you want to see how this will turn out, make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below. Also make sure that your post notifications are on as well. And as always guys, thanks for watching and hopefully see you guys in our next video.
Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon.